Good day and welcome ladies and gentlemen to the Formosa Plastic Group Museum, FPGM. Currently, you are on the 4th floor, the Exhibition of Energy and Electronics area. Do you notice the projected theater of energy on the floor? Using light and sound technologies, we'll be taking you through time and space to explore and experience energy transfers and transformation in real-world energy scenarios. Furthermore, you can also experience the world of interdependence as well as explore the origin of crude oil. Now, would you please touch the blue sensor button on the left wall and join the FPGM's spacecraft for this magical adventure of energy explosion. Let's keep going. On the display wall ahead, as you can see a Taiwan special model. Would you like to know where Formosa Plastic Group's power plants are located in Taiwan? Press the 5 buttons to the left of the map to see FPG's plant locations. Can you recognize where the Formosa Petrochemical Corporation Mai Liao plant is? It's an oil refinery complex in Mai Liao Township, Yunlin County. The gas and oil extracted at the plant is transported from the Mai Liao complex to the north via sea and land logistic and underground pipelines for use in cars, motorcycles, airplanes, and industrial operations. In 2000, Formosa Petrochemical Corporation (FPCC) officially launched the business to supply gas stations. Do you know how many gas stations belong to FPCC? Just click the button on the map and you may have an amazing discovery. When it comes to the 6th Nether Cracker project, you may be curious to know how it was built up. We'll keep walking to the slope. On the right side is the chronology of the 6th Nether Cracker project. It details the long complex process and difficult challenges before the project was executed. The 600-to-1 mock-up the 6th Nether Cracker plan under your feet clearly demonstrates its tremendous magnitude. Standing on the tempered glass and looking at that plan, don't you feel it was amazing? Let's have a look at this plan and know more about how to complete the land reclamation. Most of the land is below sea level, and only a small sand mound appears during low tides. The area is underwater during high tides. It was necessary to carry out large-scale land reclamation, with the total development area reaching 2,255 hectares. As you can see on your right side, the project's Mai Liao Harbor covers an area of 476 hectares. This is not only the deepest port in Taiwan, but also the first industrial port to be constructed with private investment. Furthermore, it's also Asia's first eco-port. Also, it has cargo throughput second only to the Kaohsiung port. We established the enterprise-wide energy conservation and environmental protection. The companies put a lot of effort in pursuing the circular economy, water usage reduction, and wastewater and rainwater recycling. This is also equivalent to conserving through water to fill 50,000 Olympic swimming pools. Also, in the thermal power plant, we adopted steel system for coal transportation and storage to prevent the coal dust or ash blown out of the system to cause pollution. The discharged flue gas is treated by gentrification, desulfurization, and static dust precipitators to remove pollutants, and emitted pollutant concentration levels are far lower than the national standards. Next to the forest of smokestacks is a great coal bunker. The purpose of the coal bunker with a conveyor belt tracking system is to provide safe, efficient storage of coal. FPG will continue making efforts to provide a better environment for tomorrow. Do you remember the wind turbine? In the 6th Nether Cracker plant, wind energy was adopted as a supplementary source of energy. Can you see where it is? Please move forward to the exit on the left of the projection screen. Then you will walk down a ramp. Please watch your step. Turn left to view the exhibition of electronics area. The Formosa Plastic Group chose the printed circuit board as the first step into the electronics industry in 1983, gradually expanding the production of upstream materials for printed circuit boards and successfully establishing a vertical integrated operation for electronics materials. Later, to meet the rapid growth in computer, telecommunication, and multimedia industries, the Formosa Plastic Group got further invested in the production of key upstream materials in the optoelectronics industry. Later, the same business model was applied to the Nanya Technology Corporation to produce DRAM semiconductors and silicon wafers. The Formosa Advanced Technologies is a manufacturer of DRAM, specializing in the DRAM assembly, testing, and so on. With a vertical integrated operation to its advantage, the Formosa Plastics Group has already become one of the biggest semiconductor producer in Taiwan. Our tour of the fourth floor of Formosa Plastics Group Museum has now come to an end. We hope you enjoyed this museum tour. Please press the pause button and take the elevator to the fifth floor. Thank you for your visit, and we wish you a pleasant day.